just checking out. Just about to leave after a week's cruising around the Canary Islands on the Azura with P&O. What did we think of it? Mixed reviews really. I don't want to complain, but it just hasn't had the same feel as the other P&O holidays have felt. The other P&O cruises that we've done have felt. I much prefer going straight from Southampton rather than flying out to Tenerife as we did. So the captain's just made an announcement now. His name is Neil Turnbull, I think. And he's lovely, he seems really nice and friendly, and we bumped into him. So a quick summary of what we thought of the cruise. The food was quite nice. It seems better on the other cruises we've had. We've had 3 other cruises, which you can see videos of if you wish. The cabin, absolutely fine. The cabin steward, hi Kristyn, was lovely. The entertainment seemed more entertainment on board on other cruises, but the entertainment they did have on you was wonderful. We enjoyed Pulse, we enjoyed the bars, we enjoyed the theatre, all the stops, all the ports of call we went to were fantastic. I'd definitely go to all of them again. Our favourite was Madeira, and the captain had a late sail away for that one, so we didn't have to sail away till 10:30. It's normally about 6:30, so that was very much appreciated. And I think that's just about it. Value for money is still very, very good value for money. So glad we came. We did enjoy it. It's just we felt like something was missing compared to the other P&O cruises we've had. But we will return. It won't stop us. So for now, it's very goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. Our bags last night had to be put outside the room before 5 o'clock. It takes some organising trying to work out what you need from your bag for the following day. We had to be out of our room this morning at 8 o'clock, and we had to meet in the Meridian bar at 8:40. Which is where we're sat at the moment, waiting to get on the coach to take us to the airport. When we put our bags outside at 5 o'clock, or before 5 o'clock yesterday, our suitcases, that is, we won't see them again now, hopefully, until Bristol. So that's handy, because we're not having to take our suitcases out. But it's all a waiting game, really, and a bit chaotic. And somebody said to one of the staff earlier, I said, always this chaotic, and he said yeah on leaving day it is, so be prepared. So just waiting now to board at Tenerife airport, and it's gone pretty much like any other airport. We're just sat waiting now to be called. Then we've got a 4-hour flight back. As I've said before previously, it's much easier going from Southampton for us, and we've spoken to a lot of people who say the same. But still, hopefully, it'll be a good flight back. And then we've got one night in Weston-super-Mare with my aunt and uncle again, bless them, before we travel back to Wales. So, can't wait now to get home to see my family.